to make garlic oil for hair growth at home. Take a tablespoon of garlic paste and heat it in a pan. Take a cup of coconut oil and add to the pan. Heat the oil with the garlic pulp in it. Wait till the oil turns a bit brown. Remove heat and allow the oil to cool off. Strain it, removing the pulp. Store the oil in a jar and use it as a kind of garlic-infused hair oil. Tip: you can use any carrier oil to make garlic oil at home. Why is garlic oil good for hair? It is said that garlic oil is rich in sulfur. The latter is essential for hair care because the element is known as the foundation of keratin, which helps in hair growth. Tip: regularly massaging your scalp with garlic oil can strengthen the roots. Hope you did get some value out of our today's video. If you really did, hit subscribe button, press the bell icon in order to get regular updates from our channel.